Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix heart rate sensor inaccuracy on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and make sure that your sensor on the back is clean. So here we have the sensor. Now for me, it's a bit dirty. You guys can see that. Now to clean it, we want to use a microfiber cloth for an example. So I got one right here. Now we need to give it a little bit of brushing. It doesn't need to be hard. Just make sure that it's clean afterward. So now it is shiny and clean. There is nothing. And what you guys want to do next is make sure that you tighten your strap one finger with a bone above the wrist bone. So what you guys want to do is simply put the watch on your wrist, and let me show you how. So as you guys can see, we got it ready, but it has to be a little bit more, just to make sure that it is very tight. And now we can just put this here, and this is how it looks like. Of course, I'm not gonna fix this because it won't change the results, but you can adjust it with those here. Now what you guys want to do next is make sure that you warm up before the workout, and then what you guys can do is go over here, go to heart rate, and now it's measuring your heart rate. So just give it a second, and once it stops, you will see the results. So for me, it is 89, 88 right now, so it's dropping down. It's in real time, and as you guys can see, this is how it looks. Now if there's still some inaccuracy, you think that it's either lower or higher, then what you guys can do is go over and hold the button at the bottom. Keep on holding it, and now make sure to restart your watch by using the second icon. Press on the check mark. Now you will feel a vibration and wait for the watch to turn back on. So it should take less than 10 seconds. Now as you guys can see, it is very tight, so there should be no issues whatsoever. Now our watch is turned back on, and now what you guys can do is go over and redo the same thing. So simply go to heart rate, and now you guys can try and measure it again. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.